is freaking crazy. I haven't filmed in so long. Like, oh my gosh. Okay.
Hi there! So today we're going to be doing a smoky eye tutorial, and first we're going to start off with our eyebrows, and we're going to fill them in with an eye pencil from Rimmel London, and this is in the shade Black Brown. Obviously I don't have very many eyebrow hairs, so I have to fill it in as best as I can. Next up, we're going to be shaping our eyebrows with some concealer. I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. So now we're going to take this same concealer and place it on our eyelids, and this is going to be used as a base for our eyeshadow so we can avoid the fallout all over our cheeks. So for the eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe Dare to Create palette. It's really awesome, very versatile colors. So first we're going to start off with a brown shade and blend it on the outer corners of our eyes. So now we're going to go in with the black shade, and we're going to kind of blend it in with the brown shade that's on our outer corners of our eyes. And this is going to create the smoky effect. So now you want to blend a little bit more black on the inner corners of your eyes so it can give it that gradient effect that you want on the outside. Now we're going to go in with our Maybelline eyeliner just to give it an even darker look. The next thing is lashes, so I'm going to be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue, and me and lashes have had a hard time, especially like just with using my fingers. So I found the easiest way is you take a mirror and you look straight down at it and put your eyelashes on top of your natural lash line. So now that that's done, we're gonna go in with our foundation, and today I'm gonna be using the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation, which I really, really love. It has a matte finish and it is super long lasting. So we're just gonna start by putting that all over our face. It doesn't matter what you use. You can use your hands, a beauty blender, but I prefer to use a foundation brush. So for highlight, I'm going to take the same shade of concealer that we used for everything else and put it under my eyes and on my chin. Now we're going to set the highlight with some Ben Nye banana powder, and what this does is it just keeps it from blending into the foundation and just keeps the highlight, and also this helps avoid flashback. So for contour, we're going to be using the same Dare to Create palette. And we're going to be using the darker like skin tone shades in the middle, and we're going to be going on under our cheekbones and on the sides of our forehead. So to blend it all together, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Powder in the shade Neutral. And this is just going to help everything blend and look nice, and so we don't have any of those sharp lines and make anything look choppy. My camera actually just cut out for the 5th time tonight, so yeah. So next we're going to be doing the highlight, and I use Keep a Glow Profile. I actually got this for Christmas a couple years ago. But it is such a good highlight, and like if I could find it, I would definitely buy it again. But yeah, so we're just gonna highlight our nose, our cheekbones, and our chin. And last but not least, we're going in with something for our lips. So I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. Honestly, like, this is one of the best lip glosses that I've had in a really long time. Like, it's not sticky. What's up, guys? It's Hallie. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you like the smoky eye tutorial that I tried for the first time on my 19th birthday. I'm 19, guys. Like, the last time I posted a video, I was 17. That's crazy. But anyways, I first tried it out on my 19th birthday. I really, really liked it. Just because it's not like too much, but it is cute. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.